Hello everyone and welcome to the last edition of 2024 of Coding My Way In, the road to becoming a software engineer. First of all, I want to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel, has commented, has followed me on social media, and have become part of this journey. I'm very proud of myself. You know, so many people, they set themselves goals each year, like new me, new year, new me, and by February or March is over with. I'm so proud of myself that I've been able to stick to this path. And 2024 has been such an amazing year, and I'm just glad and honored that so many of you have been witness to that. I really thought at the beginning when I made this channel, people are not going to care because for the most part, so many people don't care about the journey. They just care more probably with someone who already became a software engineer, not seeing the process of becoming one. So I just wanted to shed light on the process. So 2024 was the year for me to make connections in the tech industry, which I didn't have. Now I'm proud to say that I have friends in the industry. I've gone to coding meetups, tech conferences. I've learned a tech stack. At the beginning of the year, I didn't even know what a tech stack was. So I'm so proud of myself that now by the end of 2024, I have a tech stack. I have people that I can reach out to in the industry. So it's been a phenomenal year. I hope if any of you had goals, I hope you crushed them this year. But yeah, the mentality for me to go to 2025 is 2024 was the year of the process, getting into tech, learning technologies, how this world works. 2025 is going to be the year of keep building on top of that and to find a job. So for those that may ask, when is Coding My Way In ending? Coding My Way In will end at the moment I find a job as a software engineer. So this entire journey, this playlist is only showing you guys the journey to becoming one. So once I achieve that goal, a new chapter in my life will start. So I hope to see you guys in 2025. Follow me. So a lot of things I want to get going. And the first one for 2025 was changing the mindset on how I'm approaching 2025. So for those that don't know, one of the guys that I respect the most in this industry is Danny Thompson. He's someone who he keeps it real. If you want someone that's going to babysit you and you're afraid that he's going to hurt your feelings, this is not the guy. He keeps it real. He doesn't sugarcoat how difficult it is to enter the tech industry. And that's what I love him so much, and I respect him so much. And I'm honored to know that this guy knows me personally. He knows my legal name. He knows me by Izzy. So it's an honor that I was able to come across this man this year. One of the things that he was talking at a space on Twitter the other day is that mindset that he doesn't like when people have inspiring in their bios. He said, if you already have an application or 2 or 3 in your belt, you're no longer an inspiring. You're a web developer. You're a software engineer. You have to change that mindset. So immediately when he said that, guys, I went to my README and I took inspiring out of everything, out of my Twitter, out of my GitHub, my YouTube. Like, no, I'm a software engineer. I have 2 full stack applications under my belt with different technologies. So the only thing is that my experience level differs from others, but I can build stuff now. I can come if there's an issue. Now I know how to tackle it. So I'm not calling myself an aspiring software engineer anymore. I'm calling myself a software engineer. So this week was the first time that I actually felt that I could call myself that. And I thank that to this man. He brought up a good point. And aspiring, it just was not going to cut it anymore. I proven myself to you guys that I've been putting in the work and showing up every day. So I think that aspiring, out the window, software engineer, come in for 2025. So something that I wanted to show you guys was an update for the project Shatter. So where we at so far is we're in a good spot now. So now we can edit. So last week this wasn't here. So it was just a spam of edit and delete this button. So what I wanted to do is for the user for it to look better. I just didn't like the edit and delete button. It didn't look professional. It didn't look realistic. You go to any chat app, they don't have it spam. They don't have this all over. Like, it just didn't look good. So adding an extra dot to it just made a lot more sense. So now as a user, we can delete. And when you delete, it goes here, right? And now let's say you add something, SWE. Now when you click, you can edit. So it says software engineer, let's put dev. When you save, it goes back to the dots. Now, let's say the user wants to edit, and then he or she was like, you know what, I don't want to edit anymore. You just cancel, and it goes back. So now it's looking a lot more like an application. And something that I want to show you, don't take my word for it. Let me show you. So let me update the database, right? So it says dev, it says HK. So we're going to edit this, right? It has to work, right? So we're going to edit HK, and we're going to put love, right? And then we're going to change dev, and we're going to put, wait, I don't want to delete it. We're going to put, I don't know, pop, save. So it said HK, it's a software, so it has to change, right? So when we refresh, love, pop. So if we delete, let's delete love. If we did do that, boom, it has to be gone, right? Don't take my word, take the proof. Boom, it's gone. So now we officially have a full stack application, a chat application that works. So now I'm going to be working next week on the details, like to make sure that the color is different from the sender to the receiver, to make sure this button works so I can delete an entire color, conversation, and when I click this button for it to change the theme. I want to make different colors for this application. I want to, when you click, it gives you different options. So yeah, this is where we at, guys. I'm very thankful that so many of you have followed the journey of 2024, and I can't wait to keep pushing for 2025 and you guys watching the journey. I'm gonna keep learning. I need to learn TypeScript. I need to learn Go. That's gonna be my second language. I made my decision, and putting more content on YouTube. I think I'm gonna push more for my YouTube as well, and I think I'm gonna start going to a lot more coding meetups because, like I told you, Commit Your Code inspired me so much that I really want to do a conference like that in New York City. And the only way that's going to happen, if it's one, I increase my ability as a software engineer, which will make me be more respected, and put my name out there in the tech scene of New York City. So yeah, that's the plan for next year. Keep working, keep learning, getting a job, more content on YouTube. And just like always, thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year. Peace.